do a little video.
5 days old.
Yeah.
Yeah, growing like a weed. You know, I do think they have close to doubled their weight.
Well, here they are. The little ones, they're just 5 days old today. I think they've, as Joe said, I think they've doubled their weight or close to it. They certainly are now, they used to fit just in the palm of our hand, and now it's two palms, so. And they're still, of course their eyes are closed, but they're a whole lot more wiggly and moving now.